I can feel right now a little bit of vibration as well from the engine. I can feel right now a little bit of vibration as well from the engine. As you can see, the check light is on. So this car basically has a problem with the engine. There is a missing right now. The white smoke is coming out from the back, and we need to inspect right now what is the issue in this GMC 2016 model XL. This is an American car, and let's check the details. So this white smoke is coming right now from the car, as you can see when we are giving the acceleration. Today we're going to talk about how we are going to remove the engine of this GMC, and we will tell you step by step. So the very first and most important thing is you have to disconnect the battery terminals for the safety purpose. After that, we are disconnecting the AC and the cooling system. As you can see, we have opened the bumper from the front side. We have opened the air intake as well. And the most important thing when you are working on the engine, you have to disconnect all the electrical sensors. It has MAP sensor, VVT sensors, ignition coils, and all these kind of electrical supplies you have to disconnect. Drain all the liquids, which has the engine oil and your transmission oil also, if you are removing the gear as well. But in this case, you must have to remove the engine oil from the system and the coolant from the system. Other than that, we will check from the downside the power steering function. We will disconnect that as well, and then we will go down and we will check the exhaust system. We will make sure that we disconnect that system as well, and then you have to separate the engine and gear, and then you can go to the mounts and then you can lift the engine.